Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to fix an iPhone 14 that's lagging and has low performance. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to make sure no apps are running in the background. Also, there are times when apps can cause your iPhone to lag, especially if there are already a lot of them running in the background using your iPhone's resources. So what you need to do first is to force stop those apps that are left running in the background. So to do that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle. Doing so will show you the apps that are running or that are still running. So you swipe up on each app, preview to close them one after another, and you can also close them two at a time. And after doing that, try to see if your iPhone 14 is now running normally and smoothly, because if not, then move on to the next solution. And the next, what you can do is to force start your iPhone 14. So to do that, quickly press and release the volume up button and do the same to the volume down button. And immediately after releasing the volume down, press and hold the power key for 8 seconds, and doing so will trigger your iPhone to shut down and power backup. And just release the power key once the Apple logo shows on the screen. So after the reboot, try to see again if your iPhone 14 is still lagging or if the problem is already fixed. And then for the third solution, what you can do is to check the storage. So another reason why an iPhone would start to lag and freeze is when there's not enough storage space left. So as you know, apps and services create files when used, and so if there isn't enough space left, it will become natural that the device will lag or freeze. So you have to check the storage, and to do that, just launch the settings app and find and tap general and tap iPhone storage. And now check if you still have enough storage, and if necessary, delete some photos and videos or uninstall some of the apps you don't use anymore. And then lastly, what you can do is to make sure that the firmware is updated. So there's a possibility that this is a widespread issue, and in such a case, Apple will roll out an update to patch it. So try to check if there's an update available and then download and install it. So to do that, you just have to launch the settings app and then navigate to the general, and after that, tap software update and then download it if possible. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.